So, search box optimization, what is it? What is search box optimization, and what can it do to grow your solar installation company? Search box optimization, also called autocomplete, is when someone searching for your services types in the search box of a search engine your service that they are looking for. Your SEO is optimized in such a way as to show your company as a suggestion by the search engine, where the search engine completes their search results by recommending your company as an answer and a solution. It also goes by other names such as search box marketing, autocomplete marketing, and autosuggest marketing. Why does search box optimization matter so much? Search box optimization, or autocomplete optimization, is such a good idea because you are showing up on page 1, right on top, right in the search box, recommended by the search engine, without paying 1 red cent towards advertising cost, or for SEO cost. It even beats the 0 position. If you've always wanted to be on page 1, but never made it, now may be your one chance to do it. This chance may be for a limited time, as the knowledge about this is growing, and only one company per city in your industry can have access to this, as logic would dictate. If you type BMW dealer, Los Angeles, or dental implant San Diego, only one company can win that title. Once you get to this spot, which can take between 15 to 60 days, you have it made. This is because most people click on the autocomplete as suggested by the search engine. You will be hijacking and sucking up all the traffic from the competition. The secret strategies make this possible. The result? This leaves the competitor, or you if you choose to let go, high and dry, for a very long time. There are some other huge advantages to this. You may have made it to page 1 with SEO, at a nominal fee of $2,500 to $5,000. You also may have gained the respect of the readers. But with all that, you are only seen for 2 or 3 lines on page 1 of the search engines. What if you could get 20 times as much visibility and didn't have to pay 20 times more? Furthermore, what if you were the only one who shows up on page 1? Shocking, isn't it? Well, that is how you can exceed your expectations with search box optimization, autocomplete optimization. These are ninja tactics that eliminate the competition. 90.63% of pages get no organic search traffic from Google, as per Ahrefs. The top-ranking page gets the most search traffic only 49% of the time, as per Ahrefs. When the searcher clicks on the suggestion, as 71% of us do, your business shows up occupying the whole page, as shown in this image. We normally recommend 2 or 3 strategies that work together, so you cannot be unseated from your position easily, which we discuss with our clients. To see videos on how this works, you can check sboexpertly.com. The ROI is phenomenal as well. You usually recap over 2 to 3 times and more of what you put into it. Now let's go on a search journey. These examples are actual clients. You'll see very quickly why businesses are clamoring for this. Your approach will have consequences and amplifications, that is, a much more productive use of time, money, and energy to produce a steady stream of highly qualified leads, than to go for high quantities and sifting out a few hidden gems. Therefore, you need to first consider your goals for the long run, and build your lead generation machine like search box optimization accordingly. Lead generation should always be built into the company's system. A machine that will always keep attracting leads to the sales funnel. The fact that search box optimization is even possible to get a steady stream of leads still seems quite unbelievable to me. Now that you know our #1 secret strategy, subscribe to our playlist and connect on LinkedIn to learn about more secrets and strategies. Share the info with business owner friends. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off. Thank you for watching.